All right, Venetian Bay, as you can see, brand new. It's not even built yet. We're about 6 months or about 60 days away. 3-stall garage. Paid us home. This is the Barcelona. I'm going to send you the video and the floor plan. Now keep in mind we are in a construction zone, so there's some stuff that is not done, but it's close. Real nice. Great room. They call that the parlor, but formal dining basically. Or you can make that an office, or that can be formal dining, either one. Formal dining would probably go over there. Office or a little den right there. Master bedroom. Directly behind you is the golf course. Awesome golf course. Big master bath. Walk-in shower. Real nice water closet. And the reason why we can see inside this house is because they got sun tunnels to bring the light in. Those are a pretty nice upgrade. Kitchen's going to be huge, as you can see. Real pretty, real open. Breakfast nook, which is nice size also. Nice covered patio. Big doors. That's going to be outdoor kitchen. And this is a beautiful subdivision. All tile roofs in this area. Big boy place. Directly through that door is going to be a guest bathroom. This house is going to be about 470. Sorry about that. But it's going to be nice. Laundry and garage. Here's another bedroom. Queen size. Full bath. And then another queen size bathroom or bedroom. Real nice and simple. Awesome place. We'll show you a quick view from your kitchen. That's going to be beautiful in the summer. It'll be all nice and green. And you can walk out your door and play golf.